SG601 MAX 5G GPS drone, full description. Take your aerial creativity to the next level with the SG601 MAX 5G touchscreen GPS drone. A powerhouse built for both beginners and professionals seeking precision, power, and ultra-high-definition results. Designed for immersive photography, intelligent flight, and unmatched control, this drone redefines what's possible in the skies. At the heart of the SG601 MAX lies a professional-grade 8K HD dual-camera system, allowing you to capture breathtaking ultra-resolution images and cinematic video from above. Whether you're shooting landscapes, real estate, events, or simply exploring the world from the air, the advanced 3-axis electronic stabilization system ensures your footage stays stable and shake-free, even in windy conditions. Unlike standard drones in its category, the SG601 MAX features a 5G Wi-Fi real-time transmission system, delivering ultra-smooth and lag-free video directly to the integrated touchscreen remote controller. The large built-in display removes the need for your smartphone and puts full control and visuals directly in your hands. This drone is equipped with intelligent GPS-assisted flight, enabling features such as auto return to home, RTH. When the battery is low, the signal is lost, or with one simple tap. The optical flow positioning and altitude hold make stable indoor and low-altitude flight a breeze, giving you maximum control in any environment. One of the standout features is its 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system, powered by front, rear, and downward sensors that actively detect and avoid obstacles in real time. This provides a safer and more confident flying experience, even in complex environments. With powerful brushless motors, the SG601 MAX delivers enhanced durability, quieter flight, and stronger wind resistance. Whether you're flying through tight urban spaces or open landscapes, this drone offers consistent performance and agile handling. The modular 7.4 volts 2200 mAh lithium battery provides up to 25 minutes of flight time on a single charge, and the drone supports multiple intelligent flight modes, including Follow Me mode. The drone locks on and follows your movement. Waypoint flight. Plan your flight path on the app map. Point of interest. Orbit around a chosen subject to capture cinematic circular shots. Gesture control. Take photos and videos with simple hand gestures. One key takeoff and landing. Easy control for beginners and advanced pilots alike. With its foldable design and compact form factor, the SG601 MAX is easy to transport and ready for travel adventures, professional filming, or just pure fun. Wrench key specifications. Camera. 8K Ultra HD with electronic image stabilization. Transmission. 5G Wi-Fi real-time FPV. Controller. Built-in HD touchscreen, no smartphone required. Flight time. Up to 25 minutes per battery. Motors. High-efficiency brushless motors. GPS plus optical flow. Precise positioning for stable flight. Obstacle avoidance. Full 360 degrees intelligent sensors. Range. Up to 1,200 meters, transmission and control. Battery. 7.4 volts 2200 mAh Li-ion modular battery. Foldable design. Compact and travel-friendly. Modes. Follow Me, waypoint flight, orbit, gesture shot, auto return. Perfect for aerial photographers and videographers, travel vloggers and content creators, drone enthusiasts and hobbyists, beginners looking for a professional yet easy-to-use drone.